Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this cute little polymer clay bee. I've been working on this for a little shop that I'm hoping to put these in, but we'll just set this to the side. So we have some yellow clay and we're gonna roll it into a ball, so just do that. Try to get it nice and smooth. Okay. And now we're gonna press it and pinch it like that. So press, pinch, press, pinch, press. Then we'll put it down. Press, press, till we get a nice shape like that. Next we'll be adding the little wings. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm using glow-in-the-dark clay just to add a little spin to this piece because I think glow-in-the-dark would look really good as wings. So we'll get that into a ball, put that down, get another one, roll that up. I think these are big enough. And then what we'll do is we'll squish it, pinch, squish, pinch, squish, pinch, something like that. And then we'll just attach it to the top. Same for this. Squish, pinch, squish, pinch, squish, pinch. And now, time to add the stripes. The stripes are one of the harder parts for me, but it's pretty easy. So I've rolled out some black clay. I'm gonna roll it out a bit more, so I can keep this still. I use wax paper as a surface, just so it's clean. So just rolling it. So I see that's pretty good. So I will get my exacto knife right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it at an angle. So you see how the wings are at an angle? I'm gonna cut this at an angle. So line it up. And we're gonna cut it at an angle. And what I do is I line it up. There we go. And I try to push this down a bit more, close to the body. And then I'll just cut it off at the bottom. Then we'll do it again. So I'm going to cut it at an angle to fit this side of the wing. So that would be an angle like this. As you see, it's at an angle. Okay, here we go. Just line it up. If I can get it. Might take a bit to try to fit it on, but eventually you'll get it. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then again, get it to the bottom and cut it off. And then we'll just carefully pick that up. Oop. And rearrange it, make the line straight. And then just pat down in the bottom. Same with this. And then we're going to make a little eye. So I just take a tiny bit of clay. That might be too big. So yeah, eyes do not need tons of clay. So I roll that into a ball. It's very tiny. See? Tiny. Onto the ball. What I usually get is my little dotting tool, or I think you can use your exacto knife blade, but you just, I don't know if you can see this, you just carefully try to get this to stick on. I don't know if it will work with this. Oh, there we go. And you just place it onto the piece. Press down just a little. And then for the smiley face, I just roll out more black clay, but very thin. Very thin. You gotta roll this out very thin. So I'm not a fan of this part because sometimes it gets too thin and it rips in half. So then we have to start all over again. Let's see if I can get it first try. Maybe I won't get it as thin as I want. Oh, that works. Wow. Okay. That worked right away. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the end off here. No, it's stuck on me. Put that to the side. I'm gonna cut right here. So you have a little thin piece. I don't know if you can see that. And then you slowly try to curve it a bit. Kind of have to have it at an angle. If I can do this. So we're going to take our little bee here. You gotta be so careful. And we'll just plop him on like that. Try to move him around. And then give him a little face. And then next, we'll give him a little stinger. So I usually just take another bit of small clay, a little bit bigger than the eye, and I make a stinger out of it. I'm not sure how. I think this would be good. So maybe a little bit more. I don't know if this is too much, but a little bit of clay, bigger than the eye. Roll it up, and then if you can see it, it's not. You pinch, press to get a triangle shape. Pinch, press. Maybe pinch a bit more on the other side. There we go. So I don't know if you can see that. It's at an angle. And then we'll just plop that on as a stinger. And I haven't quite figured out antennas, but I think it looks pretty cute without it. I just know with antennas, they're going to be like a thinner part. So it's hard for them to like, well, I can't find a way to keep it from breaking off. So if you guys have any ways to keep things from breaking off, that would be a good tip for me. I know glazing it helps a bit, so let's try this. Let's try to do that. Let's try to make an antenna. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll this. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna cut this part. And I guess I'm gonna make a little ball. A little ball. Oh. To stick on top. Okay. Don't know how that quite worked. See, I guess a little antenna. And let's pick that up. Stick it on here. Yeah, I guess not the best, but I guess that would work. Kind of looks funny, but If you want an antenna, do something a bit like that. Roll out some clay, cut on both sides, roll balls, stick it on top. But that's it. That's how you make a clay bee. I'm trying to figure out how to unhook this so I can give you a close up. Ooh. Okay. See? Little clay bee. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. This is my first polymer clay video. Not sure how many I'll make, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you can enjoy making one of these pieces. It's simple and it's easy. I have a lot of fun making these. I have 2 more over here, and I have some I'm going to make for the shop. But thank you guys for watching, and peace out.